sister. It's Sylvia here, and it's episode one of Oldest Advice. And the first thing we're going to talk about today is how the hell do we figure out what we want to do in life? Because it's confusing. And this is coming from a multi passionate person, so I know how hard it is. So, here's the answer to your question. You have to divide everything that you want to do in four parts. Firstly, your passion, something that you would do even if you would get zero money out of it. Your financial passion, something you really are passionate about, but you would only do if you get money out of it. Thirdly, something that's giving you financial stability. It could be to eventually have a business. And fourthly, something that you want to give back to the society. And when you divide all of these four things, then you see if there is a certain overlap. I know for a lot of multi-passionate person, we feel like we are interested in everything, but we have to use something called as the law of elimination. Even though we might be interested in 100 million things, there will be certain things that we do not want to do. We have to start with eliminating. And in these four different options, we need to find out if there are certain careers which are overlapping with each other, and if there are certain careers that we can do while we're doing one another. For example, for me, I love creating content, but at the same time, I also want to make a career when it comes to product management or opening my own business and 100 other things. So we're going to find overlapping careers. We're going to find careers we can do one after the another. Once I achieve this, I can do this. Stuff I can do on the side, and maybe we can find a linear option that okay, this might help me in that in the future. So we're going to come up with all of those things. And I mean, if you are someone like me who's very confused and no one really helped me out before, so I hope this helps you in any way. And you can write everything that you're confused about on the comment section, and I'm going to reply to each and every comment. Okay, so episode 2 is going to come out tomorrow. So, love you.